Biggest game changer you'll see when you're trading with EAs or algorithmic trading like what we do is when you get the concept of out of sample data and the walk forward process. Now this isn't the ability to have a time machine and look into the future, but this is about testing your strategy on out of sample data that you've not optimized on. It's vital for robustness checking. It's vital for reducing the likelihood that you over optimize your approach. So many traders don't do this. They just over optimize and then wonder why as soon as they go live, that strategy doesn't work. So learn about walk forward testing and out of sample testing, which is something we educate our traders with within Power.